Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I am at Upwey. We're going to be seeing services from Great Western Railway and Southwestern Railway. So yeah, let's get into the video. Passing through now is a Southwestern Railway service from Weymouth to London Waterloo. This one is 444025. Passing through now is a Southwestern Railway service from London Waterloo to Weymouth. That is 444023. Arriving in now is the 1316 Great Western Railway service from Weymouth to Gloucester.
Gloucester. This train has 3 carriages. Chetnall, Yetminster and Thornford are request stops. If you want to get off the train at one of these stations,
and this one is 166204. Departing out there is 166204 on the 1316 Great Western Railway service from Weymouth to Gloucester. That one will be calling at Maiden Newton, Chetnall by request, Thornford by request, Yetminster by request, Yeovil Penmill, Castle Carey, Bruton Froome, Westbury, Trowbridge, Bradford on Avon, Avoncliff, Freshford, Bath Spa, Oldfield Park, Keynsham, Bristol Temple Meads, Filton Abbey Wood, Bristol Parkway, Yates, Cammon Dursley and Gloucester. Arriving in now is the 1324 Southwestern Railway service from Weymouth to London Waterloo.
Wool, Wareham, Holton Heath, Hamworthy, Poole, Bournemouth, Coatesdown for Boston, Christchurch, New Milton, Brockenhurst,
And this one is 444020.
Junction, you should listen to announcements on the train. Change at Wareham for local bus services to Corfe Castle and Swanage.
Departing out now is the 1324 Southwestern Railway service from Weymouth to London Waterloo. Arriving in now is the 13:55 Southwestern Railway service from London Waterloo to Weymouth. And this one is 444010. Departing out now is the 13:55 Southwestern Railway service from London Waterloo to Weymouth. Arriving in now is the 14:01 Great Western Railway service from Gloucester to Weymouth. And this one is 166218. Departing out there is 166218 on the 14:01 Great Western Railway service from Gloucester to Weymouth. Passing through now is a Southwestern Railway service from Weymouth to London Waterloo. That one is 444023. Passing through now is a Southwestern Railway service from London Waterloo to Weymouth. That's 444027. Arriving in now is the 14:24 Southwestern Railway service from Weymouth to London Waterloo.
Southampton Airport Parkway, Winchester, Basingstoke, Clapham Junction and London Waterloo. This train has 5 carriages. Some stations...
And this one is 444010.
If you are travelling to Gloucester,
Departing out now is the 14:24 Southwestern Railway service from Weymouth to London Waterloo. And that's going to be the final training in this video. Oh, excuse me. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one, and comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you all very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.